Hello friends, we are here with the second part of sequence of sentences. In the previous video, we have finished from exercise 1st to exercise 5th. So what we basically do in sequence of sentences is, there are 5 or 6 sentences given to us in jumbled order. We have to find the proper order for those sentences to constitute a proper paragraph. And generally 5 questions or 4 questions are asked from this paragraph, and it's an easy scoring topic. So we have finished exercise 1st to 5th in the previous video. In this video we will go from 6th to 11th exercise. So here I will begin, but before that, if you are new, please subscribe, hit the notifications button, and if you are already a subscriber, please like and share as much as possible. So we begin with exercise 6th. Exercise 6th. Its current was very powerful and could take away big tree trunks. There were some children playing on the bank of the waterway. In the forest of Madhubani there is a big lake. The excess water started flowing forcefully through the waterway. Once there was a very heavy rain, because of which the lake started overflowing. A poor man noticed it and rushed to save them. So we will begin arranging the sentences. First we will arrange the sentences after reading. In the forest of Madhubani there is a big lake. Next is, once there was a very heavy rain, because of which the lake started overflowing. The excess water started flowing forcefully through the waterway. Next sentence will be, its current was very powerful and could take away big tree trunks. There were some children playing on the bank of the waterway. A poor man noticed it and rushed to save them. So we have 6 sentences in the proper order. Now we will put them in the format that I have shown in the first video. And after putting them in the format, we get something like this. So, exercise 6th. The third sentence in the question will be the first sentence in the answer. The 5th sentence will be the second, 4th will be third, first will be 4th, second will be 5th, and 6th will be 6th. This way you can answer the upcoming questions. Now take a screenshot of this and answer the following questions. Which of the following should be the 6th, that is the last sentence? According to the format, the last sentence will be the 6th sentence. So the answer is option A. So for 26, the answer will be A. 27. Which of the following should be the 4th sentence? As we have seen from the format, the 4th sentence should be the first one, the sentence numbered 1. The answer to 27th is E. Question number 28. Which of the following should be the second sentence? The answer for second sentence is 5th. So the option will be B. So for the question 28, the answer is B. Question number 29. Which of the following should be the first sentence? The first sentence for question number 29 will be sentence number 3. So the answer for 29 is D. Question number 30. Which of the following should be the third sentence? The third sentence should be the 4th. So the answer is C. Now we will see exercise number 7. Before we attempt exercise 7, I would like to remind you that these questions might take some of your time, but they will reward it. इनमें थोड़ा समय तो लग सकता है, लेकिन ये आपको बराबर मार्क्स में उसका परिणाम भी दे देंगे. तो शुरू करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 7. Besides his being good at music, he is an excellent chess player too. Dr. Kusum Raj is such a person. Therefore, people like his modest behavior. but he never tells others anything about his qualities. He plays harmonium and violin very well. There are some persons who do not boast of their good qualities. Now, we will take these sentences and put them in a proper arrangement. So, we will start with sentence number 6. There are some persons who do not boast of their good qualities. Dr. Kusumraj is such a person. He plays harmonium and violin very well. Besides his being good at music, he is an excellent chess player too. But he never tells others anything about his qualities. Therefore, people like his modest behavior. When we put the given answer in the format, we will take a screenshot of this. Sorry, for exercise 7th. So take a screenshot of this exercise 7th. The earlier format was for exercise 9th. So now take a screenshot of this and we will answer the upcoming question. So we will now begin with the questions. Which of the following should be the first sentence after the rearrangement? The first sentence after the rearrangement will be 6th. So the answer is A. For 31st, the answer is option A. Question number 32. Which of the following should be the second sentence after the rearrangement? The answer for question 32 is second sentence will be the second sentence. The answer for 32 will be E. We go to question number 33. Which of the following should be the third sentence after the rearrangement? The third sentence will be the fifth. The answer for question 33 is B. Question 34. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence after the rearrangement? For question number 34, the answer will be A. The first sentence should be the fourth sentence. Which of the following should be the sixth last sentence after the rearrangement? The last sentence after the rearrangement will be third sentence. So the answer for 35th is C. Now we go to exercise number 8. So we begin with exercise 8. While doing so, we may also correct any distortions that we may discern. With all our experience and insight, we should be able to visualize them well in advance. The celebration of the 50th anniversary of the country's independence is a historic moment. Also, it is a time to consolidate on the gains that we have made. But most of all, it is a time to gear up for the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. It is a time to introspect and evaluate what we have achieved in the last 5 decades. These are the 6 sentences. Now we will arrange them. So in the first place, the third sentence will come. The celebration of the 50th anniversary of the country independence is a historic moment. In the sixth sentence will come in second place. It is a time to introspect and evaluate what we have achieved in the last 5 decades. The fourth sentence will come in third place. Also, it is a time to consolidate on the gains that we have made. The fifth sentence will come in fourth place. But most of all, it is a time to gear up for the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. The second sentence will come in fifth place. With all our experience and insight, we should be able to visualize them well in advance. The last sentence, that is the sixth sentence, the sixth place will be covered by first sentence. While doing so, we may also correct any distortions that we may discern. Now, when we put these answers in the code, we get, this is the format for exercise 8. The third sentence in first place, sixth sentence in second place, fourth sentence in third place, fifth sentence in fourth place, second sentence in fifth place, and first sentence in sixth place. Take a screenshot of this and answer the upcoming questions. Another thing is, please don't watch the videos passively. When you are watching a video, sit with a rough note and a pen in hand, and when I am reciting the question, when I am reading the question, you pause the video and then try to answer it yourself and see whether you can answer it for yourself also. Be active while watching the video. So we'll begin with the question answers. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence after rearrangement? So the fourth place will be covered by the fifth sentence. So the answer to 36th is A. Question number 37. Which of the following should be the sixth last sentence after rearrangement? So in the sixth place, which is the last place, we had put sentence number 1. So the answer for 37th also again is A. Let's see question number 38. Which of the following should be the second sentence after rearrangement? In second place, the sixth sentence will come. The answer for 38 again is A. In place of 38, 39, which of the following should be the third sentence after rearrangement? The third sentence after rearrangement should be the fourth sentence. The answer for 39 is C. Let's go to question number 40. Which of the following should be the first sentence after rearrangement? The first sentence after rearrangement will be the sentence number 3. So the answer for 40 is D. Now we will begin with exercise number 9. Exercise 9th. We were in a hurry to take him there. On explaining the reason he allowed us to go, the family doctor had advised us to hospitalize him. He pointed out to us that our vehicle had crossed. My brother was suffering from night fever. A traffic police signaled us to stop our vehicle. Now, question number 9th. We will start arranging the sentences. My brother was suffering from night fever. The family doctor had advised us to hospitalize him. We were in a hurry to take him there. A traffic police signaled us to stop our vehicle. He pointed out to us that our vehicle had crossed. On explaining the reason, he allowed us to go. So now we will put these answers in the code, in the format, and you will take a snapshot of it. So fifth sentence in first place, third sentence in second place, first sentence in third place, sixth sentence in fourth place, fourth sentence in fifth place, second sentence in sixth place. Take a screenshot of this format and then we will begin answering the question. And please remember, this is the numbering given in the question of the sentences. This is the places in which those sentences will fit. So now let's begin with question answers. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence after rearrangement? After rearrangement, the fourth sentence will be sixth, the one numbered sixth. So the answer in 41 is A. Question number 42. Which of the following should be the third sentence after rearrangement? After rearrangement, the third sentence will be the first sentence. So the answer for 42 is E. Let's go to question number 43. Which of the following should be the second sentence after rearrangement? The second sentence after rearrangement will be the third sentence. So the answer for this is option number D. So for 43, the answer is D. Question number 44. Which of the following should be the sixth last sentence after rearrangement? The last sentence after rearrangement will be the second sentence. So for 44th, the answer is D. We go to question number 45th. Which of the following should be the first sentence after rearrangement? The first sentence after rearrangement will be sentence number 5. So the answer for question number 45 is B. Let's begin with exercise number 10. Exercise 10. They look charming, especially at the time of sunrise and sunset. Water adds uncommonly to the beauty of the countryside. Particularly, these tanks are large, though shallow and silt-laden. But watery landscape looks dark on a cloudy day or after sunset. The streams, the ponds and the tanks in South India present the beauty of water. Now we take this group of sentences and arrange them in a proper order. So we begin. Water adds uncommonly to the beauty of the countryside. The streams, the ponds and the tanks in South India present the beauty of water. Particularly, these tanks are large, though shallow and silt-laden. But watery landscape looks dark on a cloudy day or after sunset. This is all. Because there is no sixth sentence here, and when we put these answers in the format, we will get the following. Second sentence will come in first place, fifth sentence will come in second place, third sentence in third place, first sentence in fourth place, fourth sentence in fifth place. There are only 5 sentences. Take a screenshot of this and answer the upcoming questions. Which sentence should come fifth in the paragraph? The fifth sentence in the paragraph will be sentence number 4. So the answer to 46th is option number D. We move to question number 47. Which sentence should come first in the paragraph? The first place in the paragraph is held by sentence number 2. The answer to 47 is A. Question number 48. Which sentence should come third in the paragraph? So the third sentence in the paragraph will be the third sentence. So the answer to 48th is 3. Question number 49. Which sentence should come fourth in the paragraph? So in the fourth sentence, the first sentence will take the fourth place. The answer to 49th is C. Question number 50. Which sentence should come second in the paragraph? The second place will be taken by sentence number 5. So the answer for question number 50 is E. Now let's begin with exercise number 11. Exercise 11th. On the other hand, if the country possesses the supplementary material and fuel, it may be able to import basic minerals economically. If a developing country has minerals, these may be the basis for major industrialization. It is the countries which do not have both types of resources that face problems in industrialization. It may be possible to import this supplementary material if not available. But supplementary materials and fuel are needed along with the basic natural material for industrialization. Now we begin arranging these sentences. If a developing country has minerals, these may be the basis for major industrialization. But supplementary materials and fuels are needed along with the basic natural material for industrialization. It may be possible to import this supplementary material if not available. On the other hand, if the country possesses the supplementary material and fuel, it may be able to import basic minerals economically. It is the countries which do not have both types of resources that face problems in industrialization. This is the answer, and when we put it in the format, we get the following. Second sentence in first place, fifth sentence in second place, fourth sentence in third place, first sentence in fourth place, third sentence in fifth place. Take a screenshot of this and answer the upcoming questions. Which sentence would come fourth in the sequence? The fourth place is held by sentence number 1. So the answer for question number 51 is A. Question number 52. Which sentence would come first in the sequence? The first sentence in the sequence is sentence number 2. So the answer for 252 is B. Question number 53. Which sentence would come last in the sequence? The last sentence in the sequence is sentence number 3. So the answer to 53 is C. Which sentence would come second in the sequence? The second sentence in the sequence will be sentence number 5th. The answer to 54th is E. Let's see question number 55th. Which sentence would come third in the sequence? The third sentence in the sequence will be the sentence number 4th. So the answer to 55th is D. So with this, sequence of sentences is finished, and the next chapter will be closet test. Now closet test is nothing but a fill in the blanks for a paragraph, and it's like our previous sentence completion. So don't worry too much, these are all scoring topics, and we will cover this in the next video. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications whenever we upload a new video. And if you are already a subscriber, please like and share as much as possible. If you have a query, let us know in the comment section in a respectable manner. Thank you. Keep working hard.